like to learn more about us, please go to our...
What is up, guys? What is going on, everyone? It is Nero here. We're actually going to get started here soon, so give me just one moment. We'll be getting started here. Give me 1 sec. This is actually the first time of going live on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Very interesting. We're not supposed to start for another 5 minutes or so. So let me put on this ad here and we'll get started here shortly.
Welcome to Dapp Center. My name is Nero J. I have been in crypto since 2017 and started my own YouTube channel in 2019. I got involved in dApps, also known as decentralized applications, in 2018 and started doing reviews on my YouTube channel in 2019. The channel now has over 50,000 subscribers, and the channel has evolved into the explorations of DeFi, NFTs, and of course, the metaverse. This is very exciting times for us as humanity moves towards a digital age in just about every aspect of our lives, will be on the internet. We will be doing everything you could possibly imagine on the web. Well, in fact, you can do this already, as you will come to find out from my channel, Dapp Center, the place where you can learn everything about cryptocurrency and how to use them. Cryptocurrency is the future.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome here for another live stream. I am Nero here at Dapp Center. What's going on? The markets are up today, guys. What is up? Bitcoin is up 9% for the entire day. You're seeing Bitcoin over $40,000. Look at this. Ethereum up 11%. BNB up 4%. Cardano 30%. Solana up almost 10%. We are starting to see some green movements here. And Ethereum is actually up 20% for the entire week. Yes. I'm actually holding some Ethereum, so that is very good. So what is going to happen, guys? What is the news? Why are we seeing this pump? Well, I mean, there's a lot of things. Well, one, the market's tanked. So we were expecting at least somewhat of a bounce, at least a dead cat bounce. But there's actually been some news that's been going around. There's definitely in the United States, they've been talking about these bills that are being passed. And one of the regulations, or one of the bills that they've been talking about, let me pull it up here. Let me find it. What? Let's see here. Crypto worth 200. I lost it. I lost the news. I lost it. But there was a bill that is being passed. I'm trying to find it. I had it up here. Now it's gone. Here it is. Here we go. So U.S. lawmakers reintroduce bill to provide tax relief for small crypto transactions. This legislation by a bipartisan group of House of Representatives would exempt realized crypto gains under $200. So yeah, this is a bill that they're proposing. It hasn't passed yet, so it's not official, but they are reintroducing this bill. Would exempt consumers from paying taxes on crypto payments of less than $200. I think this is a big deal, guys, because right now I think one of the biggest concerns, as me personally, of a user of crypto, is the taxes and how complicated the taxes can be, and how to report them and this and that. Basically, this bill is going to help alleviate that pressure. It's going to make it easier where you actually don't really have to report, gains of less than $200 or transactions of less than $200. So I think this is a big deal. Definitely good news to see that. There's tons of news, actually. Just tons of crap that's going on right now. We're going to be talking about it during this live stream. Another big news, Facebook's $232 billion false set record for the largest one-day value drop in stock market history. So when it comes to, buying the dip, Facebook, also known as Meta, which is short for Metaverse, is, we actually saw $232 billion wiped off. We saw the price of the Facebook stock was over $300, is now down to $232, guys. Over 25% wiped off. Let me pull up the chart here. So we do Facebook stock, FB, Meta. Yeah, 232 it's trading right now. Technically, it's actually only down 22%. But we did drop when it was at $323. It dropped all the way. This is after hours, guys. This is overnight. It literally dropped 323 to 240 overnight, and then has been trading downwards since. And there's been a lot of FUD going around, how much money that Facebook lost, and they said that they were in debt. Like, they lost, it was like a 4%. They missed their margins by 4%, which isn't really that big to me. I mean, for a big company, $10 billion is a lot of money, but 4% isn't really that huge, and especially with everything that's going on right now. I mean, come on. A lot of companies are struggling right now with the economy and, with the pandemic and all of that. So Could this be an opportunity to buy? Who knows? To me, I'm a big believer in the metaverse. I'm a big believer in the future of the metaverse, and that Facebook being they want to be a forefront of the metaverse. They are betting a lot of money. They're, Mark Zuckerberg he's betting a lot on the metaverse. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. To me, I feel like this is an opportunity. But hey, do your due diligence, do your own research. Let's see what else is going on here. Crypto worth over $320 million taken in a wormhole hack. Yeah, this happened yesterday or the day before, February 2nd. There was over $320 million apparently was hacked. It was through the wormhole as a Ethereum / Solana network, like a smart contract protocol. And somehow there was a bug, and the hacker found the bug and stole all the money from it. It was like 120,000 ETH. And so Wormhole, the company, they've reached out to the hackers, and they're offering them $10 million for $320 million. I don't know how that math calculates, how that works, or if the hackers are going to be willing to do that. But it's going to be interesting to see what happens, and if the hackers are going to apply to that or not. If they're actually going to use the bounty and give the money back. I don't think so, but we'll see. We will definitely see. The good news is since it's all on crypto, we can actually see where those transactions are going to go. So we'll be able to trace them for the most part. And you can basically see, there's actually situations where hackers have done this before, and they will send that money to like a smart contract, and you can literally watch them launder the money through the smart contract on the blockchain. It's crazy. So let me take a look here at the chat, guys. I'm sorry, I've just been chatting away. There's been so much news, so much hype going on right now. So let me get caught up on the chats here. Looks like the chats are looking pretty active today. Not surprised. Wow, we actually got our viewers back. Woohoo! Welcome back, viewers. I was getting a little concerned there. The last time we went we didn't even get over 100 viewers. Now we got 600, so welcome. Oh my gosh, it dropped so low. What dropped? Oh, DPC, yeah. Yeah, well, guys, there's a lot of uncertainty and of regulations right now with crypto. Crypto is still new. There's regulations being put in place. So right now with the everything that's going on, in fact, India proposed a new tax. There was a new tax bill that India proposed, or they put in the law. Let me look at that. India 30% tax. Look at this. In February 1st annual budget, the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, I'm bad at pronouncing names, I'm sorry. I'm just going to call him Minister S, proposed a 30% tax on any income from the transfer of digital assets, and said no deductions would be allowed. That part scares me the most. No deductions. That basically makes it where businesses cannot do crypto transactions for services for payments, because they can't put that as a deduction. So they're just going to get taxed on that crypto. That's just bad to me. That's bad. Losses incurred from such transactions cannot be set off against any other income. So India has some pretty harsh, strict regulations on crypto, but they didn't completely ban it. So I guess that's good news. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let's see what else is going on here. Somebody mentioned Banksta. All right, we'll take a look at Banksta. What else? What else, guys? How much is ETH right now? ETH is just below 3,000 bucks, guys. And it's gone up. It has gone up. Let's see. Yeah, ETH was down to you could have got Ethereum for less than $250 or $2,500, in fact, and it is now up $2,944, guys, on KuCoin. On KuCoin. What should I look for NFT projects? Stick around, guys. If you actually go to our Discord channel, if you guys have any personal questions you'd like to ask me, We will actually do another segment after this. So we'll do like an hour-long segment live stream, and then we'll start another live stream where we'll do the question and answers, and we'll like do AMAs and stuff. But if you have any questions, you could go to our Discord here, ask Nero anything. If there's any questions, we'll actually select questions from here. The best questions that you want to ask me, ask them here in this Discord, so that way we'll review them during our live streams. Somebody mentioned Moon Boys. Alright, we'll take a look at that. What else? Do you have a roadmap? I don't know. Any updates on Jurassic Crypto? Give me a second. We'll look at Jurassic Crypto here shortly. I'm writing all these down, guys. Keep shilling away. Bitcoin Education Center launch in El Salvador. That's good. That is good to hear. Also, guys, if you're just now joining in, I am also going live on YouTube. I'm also live on YouTube, guys. So, this is the first time I've actually ever done a live stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So I'm actually, this is me on YouTube. Look at that. Should we buy ETH now? I'm actually looking through the chats here because the two chat rooms are different. So you guys could ask different questions. Somebody mentioned Lucky Lion Club. I'll look at that. But we are actually looking into getting a streaming service where we can have just one chat room, and it'll be on multiple. So it'll be like on YouTube, it'll be on Twitch, it could be on Facebook, and all the chats will be in one chat. That would be really nice. Why not on Twitch? I am on Twitch. I'm on Twitch and YouTube. So you guys can find the links down in the description to my YouTube channel. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. You can find the Twitch here. I'm streaming on both YouTube and Twitch. So if you're on YouTube, you can check out my Twitch too. Follow me, subscribe to me, support the channel. Love you guys. Fly Fish Club. What other cryptos can we earn by joining Discord channels? You could get airdrops in the Telegram channels, but not in the Discord. Not yet, at least. Maybe in the future we will. What do you think makes NFTs valuable? Supply and demand and technology. They're cool. They're digital art. So what's going on here? Facebook, we already mentioned that. I'm really excited. I bought the dip, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm buying the dip, and I'm gonna be buying more if it goes down more. I'm very bullish on the metaverse for the long term, for sure. So here's some more news. TurboTax will let users deposit tax refunds into crypto accounts. Woohoo! Yeah, you get your tax returns in crypto. The software company has teamed up with Coinbase to allow users the option to convert their state and federal taxes refunds into cryptocurrency. To me, that is some pretty big news. If you could get your tax returns in crypto, that means people are taking crypto pretty seriously. Now, when you get to the point where you can pay your taxes in crypto, that is when you're going to start seeing crypto really exploding. So yeah, definitely an interesting article I saw there. Here's another interesting article. This one was kind of funny. This guy, he spiked his father's tea to make him pass out. I don't know what he used. I can't actually view the article because I have to have a creative. Hold on, let me do this. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, it says Maryland man doses dad's tea with drugs to move $400,000 in crypto. So this dude, dad's son, spiked his drink, drugged him up so he could have access to his phone, which his dad had access to $400,000 worth of crypto. somehow got through the two-factor authentication, which I think you could easily do. You know, if you have somebody's thumb or you put their, you have the Face ID, you have their passed out, you just cover their, you just put the phone up to your face, you get access to your phone, and he stole $400,000 from his dad. What the heck? Very interesting article. I'll send you guys the link to that. If you guys can even get access to it, I don't know. But I will send you guys the link here. Oh, boom. So yeah, it's very, very first time going live on YouTube. So I will try to bounce between both chats. We're giving it a try, guys. We're giving it a try. But nice to see that we are getting some people viewing us on YouTube, so that's good. Yeah, while live on YouTube. What is the criteria for a blockchain game to be listed on Play to Earn? I don't get your question. I don't really get that question. Beyond a other method, what are other functions of cryptocurrencies? Well, you could hold them. You can earn passive income, you could buy NFTs with them, you could do all kinds of sort of things with crypto. What is the best crypto to invest, especially those first-timer? Can't give that type of advice, but the safest one is obviously Bitcoin. Does Mark Zuckerberg invested on crypto? Probably. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised at all. So there, I tried to answer some of you guys' questions here in the YouTube chat. Thank you guys for joining the YouTube. But we are popping here on Twitch. Holy cow, I can't even keep up. Check this out. Look at this, guys. This is on our Twitch. We got over 700 people watching us now. I can't even keep up with this chat. There's just too many questions. So if we get YouTube to be doing the same thing, heck yeah, that's where we're at. Community is growing, folks. Thank you guys all for being here. Could not do it without you guys, so thank you. What is the most popular NFT as of now? The most popular, I think, collection. I don't know if most popular NFT, but most popular collection. I think people would probably argue would say Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC. Those been selling for lots of money. People are selling those for, apparently I think Justin Bieber bought one for like $600,000 or something like that. So those have been pretty popular. And that's what gives the NFTs value, guys. I mean, it's just hype and popularity. It's kind of like memes, meme coins, Doge. Do they really have a whole lot of functionality and use case? Not yet. Is there a lot of speculation? Yes. What drives the price and the value of it? Just speculation and supply and demand, because people are willing to pay for it. That's really it. There's no other technicals to explain it. If every NFT is unique, it depends on the smart contract. Depends on the project. That's what you have to figure out. That's what you gotta do your research on. I know some of you guys, let's go ahead and look at some of these projects. I know somebody mentioned Banksta Bear NFTs. Let's take a look at that. Here we are, we got Banksta Bear. Let me go ahead and give them a follow. Dope art and great utilities for affordable price. Enough of the cute animal projects. We're about business. February 11th. That's actually going to be coming up here in about a week. You'll be able to buy these for 0.39 Sol. Solana, they got over 6,900 followers. And this is kind of what some of the artwork is going to be looking like. You guys be able to join their Discord. What's this? PlayStation 2? Is this used to be a video game? Banksta Bears? Because if that's the case, I hope they own the rights to use that. Oh, look at this. Banksta Bears, let's see. This
Just gotta let y'all know about this NFT project, Banksta Bears.
Banksta Bears.
Man, check it out. It's a cold NFT project. Trust me and believe me when I tell you this. It's right off the bat. The art is fire.
Listen to this man. I don't know who this guy
is. Going down, man, with the real deal.
This is on their
all
Twitter.
types of good free info about NFTs, stocks, crypto, and making money. Keeping it right and tight, because if you don't get right, y'all gonna get left. But there it is, baby. Big ballers out, baby. And hey,
Right.
what's
Wow.
going on?
That is a lot of excitement there. So there you go. Banksta Bears. Check it out. What else we got? We got Moon Boys. Somebody mentioned Moon Boys. This is Moon Boys, unique collectible. Moon Boys living on the Ethereum blockchain. All our links are below. Okay, let's take a look at their links. They got over 13,000 followers on their Twitter. The Moon Boys giveaway. Time for another one. We decide to give this Moon Boy away. These are the Moon Boys. I don't know about the artwork on this, guys. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Is that supposed to be an alien, a skeleton, creature? They're Moon Boys, right? They're like the Island Boys, but Moon Boys. They're like Moon Boys. Oh, dude, they should probably get the Island Boys. I think for like $600 they could get Cameo. But here's the website, the Moon Boys. Welcome to the Moon Boys. Our mission is to create a movement of people who believe in the future and are willing to take a chance on bold new ideas. Hey, I got an idea. Check out the Island Boys. Hit me up. I got connections to them. We could do a little promo. They could do a song instead of saying Island Boys. They call it the Moon Boys. What are your means the party just start? Cause you are here. Yeah, party has started. Who invented cryptocurrency? Come on, guys. Satoshi Nakamoto. He's the one, the developer of Bitcoin. But nobody knows exactly who Satoshi Nakamoto is. I'm going to check over here on YouTube. What do you think about Dogecoin? Ooh, Doge. Let's take a look at Doge. What has Doge been up to? I think Doge is a good long-term investment. I know, it's crazy. It's a meme coin. What utilities and use case does it have? Not much, but it has so much popularity now. Is too big to fail. You're looking at a market cap of $19 billion, and that's after it's dropped significantly. I mean, this market cap hit almost 100 billion. 100 billion for a meme. Holy smokes, that is a lot of money. So what is I think we're gonna see Doge, Bitcoin, and a few others are gonna make it. They're going to make it. What do I mean by make it? I think what's gonna happen is eventually a lot of these smart contract platforms are going to get heavily. I mean, they're already getting regulated. But I think a lot of regulations are going to deter people get into like DEXs, exchanges like Uniswap. I think a lot of those are going to get outlawed or at least kind of just, I don't know, stomped on. And I think you guys might want to just focus on the top 10 here, guys. Top 10, top 20. Dogecoin's 11th. I think these ones might be like the safer ones to stick with. But obviously, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. But to me personally, I'm only sticking with like the top ones right now, guys. I might have some poop coins, so to speak, that I'm holding for long term. But I can't, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but me personally, I think that if you want to minimize your risk, you probably want to get in the less riskier assets, and the less riskier assets are typically the ones that are the most used and most adopted. So, but like I said, do your guys' own due diligence. I used to collect Doge. That's good. Do you collect SHIB? SHIB is just like Doge, except it has a few more, I guess, a little bit more tokenomics. It's definitely a big competitor of Doge. I don't think it's going to be as big as Doge ever. I think Doge is going to dominate this race. Kind of think as if Doge was Bitcoin, then Shiba would be Ethereum. That'd be the best comparison. Will Ethereum ever be bigger or better than Bitcoin? Maybe, probably not. But they're always going to have that competition. They're like neck and neck. So that's SHIB. Which I might actually pick up some SHIB here soon. It's almost getting into that buying range of being worth almost nothing for one SHIB. It does have a large supply though, so don't expect this to go to like $1 or anything like that. It's not going to happen. It's already got a market cap of $11 billion. 10x. It's got $100 billion market cap, which is market cap is larger than a lot of countries. That's just kind of really ridiculous to me, in my point, at least in my perspective, at least short term. I don't expect it going up that much. Do you also invest on Leos? Let's see. Leonicorn swap. Leonicorn swap. Well, it's down. Actually, it's up 9% today. Trading at 17 cents. Ew, look at that. Down, down, down. This could be a good buy opportunity. I rather see this guys, trading 101. Would you rather be buying it when it's up here, or would you rather be buying it when it's down here? Let me know. I think that should be a simple question, right? The problem is a lot of people with FOMO, they buy up here and then they get wrecked. So your best bet is to buy now, so when the price does go back up, you sell it for a profit. But I don't know anything about this project. You guys just mentioned in the chat. Mexi, PancakeSwap, Bitmart, CoinTiger, Buybox is where you can get those. So it's on multiple exchanges, so that's good to see. Market cap is only $5 million, so definitely got room to grow. But I don't know much else about this project. Looks like it is on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's got audits as well. So maybe one you might want to take a deeper dive in, but I'm not going to in this. I want to try to stay up to date, stay up to task here. How much is Bitcoin now? Is it increasing? Yes, it's over 40,000 now. Who is the biggest influencer in the crypto community? I don't know. Let's Google it. The biggest influencer in the crypto community. Can anybody guess? You can't talk about cryptocurrency without talking about Jack Dorsey. You guys know who Jack Dorsey is, the founder of Twitter. One of its most passionate speakers and the head of Twitter until recently, with 6 million followers and counting. Dorsey's voice is among the most influential in the cryptocurrency market. So boom, there's your answer, Jack Dorsey. I was actually surprised. I would have said he was in the top 5. Let's see what this one says. Influencer Marketing Hub. Top 15. Vitalik Buterin. That. Boom, boom, boom. Number 1. The founder of the Ethereum is the number 1. Roger Ver. I think he's the founder of Bitcoin Cash. He's number 2. Andre. Who's this? Oh, he is one of the early developers of blockchains and Bitcoin. So yeah, definitely he is definitely. I enjoy watching his videos too. Very, very smart. Tim Draper, he was an early adopter and investor of Bitcoin. He's also invested in SpaceX, Tesla, Coinbase. So he's a big rich investor. Talks about Bitcoin all the time. So I would say this is probably more accurate. They don't even have Dorsey on this list, do they? John McAfee, he used to be. He's no longer around. Rest in peace. Dorsey's not even on this. But I would say Dorsey would be on at least the top 10 for sure. So there you guys. There's your answer for that one. BlackRock. What is BlackRock? I don't know what BlackRock is. BlackRock, financial planning and investment management platform. Larry Fink's 2022 letter to CEOs. For a decade, Larry has been writing CEOs. What is this? Here's the article. Let's see. BlackRock plans blockchain and tech ETF amid crypto meltdown. Fund would track companies involved with crypto technologies. Crypto-linked equity ETFs have ballooned in recent years. BlackRock Inc. is stepping into the arena of cryptocurrency flavored exchange trade funds in the midst of $1 trillion wipeout. The iShares blockchain and tech ETF would invest in companies involved in the development, innovation, and utilization of blockchain and crypto technologies. According to a Friday filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, if launched, it would be the first crypto-adjacent fund in the largest ETF issuers lineup. So yeah, guys, this could be another reason why we are seeing a spike in price of Bitcoin. Every time they mention an ETF, it makes all of these hedge funds and huge investors and large corporations to like, what? I want to get on this, because they know once an spot ETF gets approved, you're going to see trillions of dollars being able to have access into Bitcoin easily and very securely. And that is pretty much the moral of, and that's the reason why there's so much speculation on the price of Bitcoin and why the price continues to keep climbing, is because they are anticipating a spot ETF for Bitcoin. Bringing it total, I saw some that Slam Crypto Link Equities Fund with $1 billion amplified sharing ETF ticker Block, plunging 8% on Friday. Ticker and management fees of BlackRock's planned ETF are not yet listed. So yeah, obviously it's all still speculation right now. Says they own a lot of slots, media companies, Spotify, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Nintendo says it's interested in NFTs and the metaverse. We feel the potential in this era. Yeah, guys, metaverse is coming. I keep telling you guys this. In fact, I've been blowing up StockTwits. I don't know if you guys follow me on StockTwits or not. If you're not, give me a follow, because I've been really heated up on StockTwits. Let me actually get on Google here. StockTwits. Whoa. What happened to my stream? All my views just, what the heck happened? That's weird. What's going on here? So here's StockTwits. So you guys can actually follow me at StockTwits. Here's my profile. I'll send you guys the link. Give me a follow, guys. Boom. Yeah. So I actually been I've been doing some, I don't know what they call them, tweets or posts about Facebook. Said my 5-year retirement plan is here. Metaverse is coming, guys. And I've been trying to shill up Facebook. Facebook's actually looks like it's finally, maybe it's hit its bottom here. It's starting to flatline here. Dude, I'm telling you guys, look at this chart. Let's look at like Apple in comparison. Here, let me pull up. We're going to put them side by side. Okay? Side by side. Maybe Apple's Google. Let's look at Google. And I'm going to explain to you guys why the stocks are doing what they're doing. At least the big tech stocks. I'm going to explain here. Because people are shifting, and I'm going to explain why they're shifting. Okay? So, here, Let me pull up. There's Google. Let me pull up Facebook here. Oh, shoot. Okay, so here's Facebook chart. Okay? We saw Facebook dipped, right? Let's do all here. So did Google. Google dipped too. We saw a dip here. You probably can't, it's hard to see now because the price went back up. Could we see Facebook do something similar? Could it retrace, get back to like the 300 range and start going back up? It could. It could. Could it go lower? I mean, that's what the bears are saying. You know, you look at the trap, go to zero, VWAP, breaking incoming, bought some shares. Like, there's mixed emotions going on right now, and it's actually kind of silly and funny because a lot of these bears in here, they keep calling Facebook a communist platform, anti-American, censorship, which, you know, I actually agree with the censorship part, you know, but Facebook also has the right to take down whatever they want. It's a private company. It's a private, you know, even though Facebook is on a public domain, everything on Facebook is private. It is their freaking living room. It's their place. So if you say stuff they don't want you to say, they have every right to remove you. It has nothing to do with your Bill of Rights. Your Bill of Rights do not protect you from private settings. Believe it or not. You could Google it. Do you have the freedom of speech in a private setting? You could Google this and it'll tell you. Now, this laws could apply depending on where you live, obviously, but I'm talking about here in the United States. So, do you have freedoms of speech in private setting? Generally, no. The Bill of Rights provides protection for individual liberty from actions by government officials. Private property is not government owned. Facebook is private property. Restrictions on individual freedom speech rights on private property do not involve state action. There's your answer, guys. Yeah, Facebook is not violating your rights, so get over yourself. Chances are, I mean, you're basically, the reason why Facebook is removing you or censoring you is because your posts are actually having a negative impact on Facebook, and Facebook could be legally liable. For instance, if you make posts that could cause hatred or harm to someone, guess what? Facebook can get sued for that. Not you or that person, Facebook does. Because Facebook's the one that's allowing that to happen, allowing that post to be posted. So they could be facing those consequences. They are the ones that are going to be dealing with the consequences, so they have every right to protect themselves. So, yeah. If you don't like censorship, then there's plenty of other platforms out there you could use. Go to another platform, you know, say what you want. The anti-censorship, I know there's several out there. I can't think of any on top of my head. But that's what I believe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about Facebook and their policies. Should they be allowed to censor? Should they not be? Curious to find out. But try not to make it political, guys. Don't make it political. I hate when, you know, the reason why the price of Facebook dropped is because of Joe Biden or because of Donald Trump. No, it's not. Get over it. It's not everything's about politics. Ban all the bashers. Yeah, ban all the bashers. That is right. When do you start having an interest in cryptos? I started getting interested in cryptos back in 2013, believe it or not. It was when the first time I tried buying Bitcoin and I failed. I could not figure it out because they wanted me to do a KYC. It was actually really hard to buy Bitcoin back in 2013, and that was when Bitcoin was cheap, right? That's when you probably wanted to buy it. So I gave up, and then Coinbase came out it's like 2017. I actually downloaded the Coinbase app, and 2017 was the year that it made crypto easier access for the normal person, and that's why we saw a big explosion in the price of cryptos and Bitcoin in 2017. So I'd say I got in at 2017, but I was interested in 2013. How many hours do you take in crypto? Too many to count. Are you 24/7 in crypto or not? I mean, crypto's 24/7. It's traded 24/7. Transactions are done 24/7. So if you're in crypto, I guess you're in 24/7, right? So, well, it looks like things are dying down here. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a wraps for this live stream. Thank you guys for being here. Now stick around. I do have another segment coming up. I'll be starting another live stream in which we will be doing some question and answers. So stick around. Don't miss out on the Q&A. You guys could ask. So I'll try and answer some questions in that Q&A as well. But yeah, we'll be starting here in approximately 20 minutes. And it'll just be on Twitch. I probably won't be on... Actually, yeah, it'll be on Twitch. It won't be on YouTube. YouTube, we'll save another time. We'll just start... actually, here's a question. Somebody mentioned XTZ. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at XTZ. Alright. Get out some of these here. XTZ. Tezos. Tezos is trading at $3.92. Looking at market cap of $3.4 billion. Pesos might be a project of good long-term hold. I know they are, they're kind of like their own blockchain. Looks like they also have a Binance Smart Chain contract as well. But you guys can get this pretty much anywhere. Binance, Coinbase, Huobi. I personally am not into Tezos, but Tezos might be a good long-term opportunity. It might be one of the, it could be the next Cardano or the next Matic hype, especially for the next bull run. So I would put it on your radars for sure. Keep an eye on it. Site looks really good. It's got a lot of publicity too. Go to ask questions. We still need one more for today. Yeah, go to the Discord, guys. Let's get another question here. Anybody can ask a question for Nero. Ask Nero anything. Ask it in Discord, guys. We want to try to get our Discord more active. What controls the value in blockchain crypto? It's, the technology and then the supply and demand. Let's see here. See what YouTube's going on. Yeah, definitely an alien skeleton, but they're moon boys. Yeah. Is trading time consuming? Depends. Depends if you make it. It all depends, guys. So, well, guys, stick around, guys. We'll have more live streams coming. Obviously, we'll have one here starting in about 15 minutes. But stick around. We will have more sponsors, more reviews, more cryptos to talk about, more live streams, and obviously stay tuned for more YouTube videos. We'll be launching here in the near future. Well, guys, that wraps it up here for this segment. Stay tuned for more. It's Nero here. Be safe out there. Be nice to each other. Don't lose too much money. Invest smartly. Play smartly if you're a play-to-earn gamer. Adios. Alright guys, I will be back here. Give us about 15 minutes and we will start our next live stream.